Pricing is one of the fundamental elements of marketing. We always say 4 P's of marketing: product, price, promotion, and place. Pricing plays a very important factor as to how important your product or service is to the customer and how relevant it is to the customer. What is the importance of correct pricing? Let's show you a graph. 1% improvement in price helps in 11% increase in profit. Similarly, if you compare it with other factors, for example, variable cost or fixed cost or volume, you can see that 1% improvement in variable cost leads to just 7.8% increase in profit. And when we talk about volume, it's just 3.3%, and fixed cost actually leads to the least increase in terms of profit. So when you get your pricing right, it's one of the most important things that you can do for your business. What are the various pricing strategies that are available and that are used by various companies? You have strategies like cost plus pricing, penetration pricing, tender pricing, psychological pricing, which we talked about in our last video, value pricing, market skimming. We want to take you through a couple of these. For example, price penetration. It is to get market share quickly. Discounts help you grab market share from the competition. Skimming helps you grab the early adopters. Premium pricing is the high pricing which the luxury industry uses. Cost plus is mainly used by the governmental and controlled markets. Going rate pricing is like for like market prices. Whatever your competitors offer, you also offer. Target pricing is fixed price to segment or channels. Price discrimination is high, low to dynamic pricing. So quantum pricing is start high and go down as the sales increase, or go down as you want to increase the volume of your sales. So given that, so this is all the science behind the price. But in the last video also, we had discussed with you the psychological pricing, the behavioral effect of pricing in the market. Given that, let's try and understand the art behind the science of pricing.